Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are looking to update your email address on your Amazon account, you have come to the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to change your email address on Amazon account step by step. Let's get started. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your Amazon application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Then tap on your profile. On your profile screen, you can see the option of accounts. Click on it. Once you have entered the account section, you have to search for security and login. Tap on it. Here in this interface, you have to write down your Amazon password in order to get access to update your profile settings. Now, this is the part where you can change your Gmail. Here on the second bar, you can see email. Tap on edit to update. Write down your new email ID and click on continue. So this is how you change your Gmail on Amazon.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.